So here we will discuss about subject matter of sociology. Generally, students and people understand scope and subject matter in the same sense. Scope, this is a scope, area, and subject matter in the same sense, but they are not same. As we discussed about a scope means the perspective of scientist, formalistic and synthetic. Formalistic want to see sociology as a special science, and synthetic school see the sociology as a general science. So it is wrong to think like that. There is difference between a study area, a scope, and subject matter. Subject matter, kshetra, means the range which within which anyone studies science. What are the area, range, that is called subject matter. And a scope is thought and perspective of any subject. So content refers to certain subject that any science studies. The extent to which sociology is studied, its field of study, and definite subject under which sociology is studied, is it subject or object? Subject, object. Like the field of study of sociology, there is differences in the view of scholars. In a scope, there are differences between the views of scholars regarding subject matter, but there is no differences between the subject matter. There is no such types of differences. So here we will take some scientist ideas. The views of some prominent scholars are being presented here. Thought of Durkheim. Durkheim considers social fact to be the subject matter of sociology, whereas Max Weber considers social action as a subject matter of sociology. And Talcott Parsons also considers social action is the unit and subject matter of sociology. So, and he told that here, about Durkheim told that social facts are a trick or to work or behave. It is a behavior. He discussed social fact. He told about the three characters of social facts, that is generality, exteriority, and constant. Constant means that has some force. There is some force on fact, social fact. And in social morphology, the impact of geographical environment on human life and its relationship with Durkheim, with social organization is a study. Durkheim expressed the content of sociology in major parts. Here just you can understand in social morphology, social psychology, and general sociology. Social morphology, geographical environment on human life, a relation of geographical environment of human life. For example, the density of population and their distribution, different places, that is in social morphology. So, Emile Durkheim idea is very prominent in sociology about the subject matter. So, Emile Durkheim talk about the three different perspective: social morphology in subject matter, social morphology, social psychology, and general sociology. So social morphology related with environment and relationship. Human life is related. Suppose in a mountain or hill area, you will find that people are wearing some different dresses, and their relationship are different in comparison to plain area. Why? Because geographical condition also define our relationship and our culture. Here, social psychology, Durkheim social psychology comparing society with the body. said that the creator of social psychology is from religion, policy, language, law, and family. General sociology, studies are done from the classical point of view. Its study is necessary to understand the body of general sociology. All these have developed into different branches of sociology. General sociology, in this we are seeing that the family, kinship, social stratification, social mobility are in general sociology. And the idea of Ginsberg about you have to understand or know about one or two scientists about subject matter. That would be sufficient. Ginsberg presents the subject of sociology by dividing it into 4 parts. Social morphology. Here we will just overview. According to Ginsberg, there are 4 parts of subject matter: social morphology, social processes, social control, social processes, social control, and social pathology. And Kerr's view. Kerr's is also a scientist who present the sociology in 6 parts, the subject matter of sociology in 6 parts: human action, social organization, social control. And you have to remember all these things. Sometimes in UGC NET or MCQ exam, it has been asked that how many part of subject matter has been divided by Emile Durkheim, Kerrs, and many others: social control, social change, and social institution. These are according to, and social codes, Kerrs. So if you would be asked in examination, subject matter has been divided 3 parts by which scientist? Durkheim, Max Weber, Karl Marx. So you would answer Durkheim. If you will ask that Ginsberg has been divided subject matter into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer would be 4 parts. You have to remember Kerrs divided sociology into 6 parts. And which one? Kerrs did not divide sociology. So human action, social organization, social control, social change, social institution, social codes. So Professor Ingalls presented his outline as follows. Hence, sociology also studies this social code. Apart from these 3 scholars, Carl Mannheim, George Simmel, Utter, and Hatt have also highlighted the content of sociology. Society is the main foundation of all the views given in relationship to the subject matter of sociology. That is, sociology studies society as a whole. McIver and Page have said that society is the web of social relationship. This leads to the conclusion that the real subject matter of sociology is social relationship. Regarding the subject matter of sociology, the question has always been rising in the mind of sociology is that what is the subject matter of sociology? The main thing in this direction is that the nature of society is variable. Sociology is the science of society. We have already studied it. Therefore, it is natural for a social object to change. In the US, there was a meeting of sociologists regarding the subject matter of sociology, which covered various aspects. Professor Ingalls has presented his outline follow: sociological analysis. Here we can See, sociological analysis, human culture and society, sociological approach, scientific method in social science. Second one is primary unit of social life, social action and social relation, human personality, group, species, and class is also included, community, urban and rural, committee, association, organization, population, society. These are the content Professor Ingalls outlined.